What's going on, guys? Sorry for not posting for a while, but there really hasn't been anything going on. I thought my car was broken for the longest time. I had low compression on one cylinder, but I think I just did the test wrong. And but I do think my turbos are going out because it's still stock twins and they're old, obviously, so maybe I'll be singling it coming sooner than I thought. So that'll be, I guess, more videos. But today we're gonna be putting on these tail lights. These are the 97, 98 tail lights, and these are the 93 to 96. I just think they look a lot better. It completes the look, modernized. And also, if you guys see this in the background, it's E92 M3 V8 because my brother actually got one not too long ago. Maybe I'll do a video on it. I don't know. That's his thing. He got it non-running, but obviously he has a motor here. But yeah, shouldn't be too hard to do these taillights. I believe it's just two bolts or screws. And yeah, so I'll show you guys the process. I'll take the left one off, put it on, and like that you could see the difference. It should just be these two, but we'll see. I'll get back to you guys once it's done. So might be a little more complicated than I thought. Probably not too bad. I think I need to take off this panel because it came with harnesses. I don't know if they're the same, but you can see it has this little grommet right here. That's this one, and it connects to somewhere. So I'm gonna take this off and see if it's easy, because I don't think you could take this off. I think you have to take all this off, but we'll see. I'll update you guys once I'm there. So I already see an issue. I'm not gonna be able to reuse these bulbs because once you put these tail lights right here, if we don't drop it, they don't fit. They're not gonna fit in, so I need more bulbs. It came with harnesses, but not with bulbs. Try to get some LED ones. It doesn't matter. I just want to put it on. It's gonna start raining here pretty soon, and my Target leaks, so it's not gonna come out for a little bit either way. But as long as we'll get the look. But yeah, it looks like I can just take this off. Just need these two, then this, and then this should be off, and I'll take the harness off and we'll see how the taillights look. So it's pretty simple. It really was just this panel. Here they are connected. It's in here. Now I'm just gonna plug them all in, even though they don't have bulbs, and see how they look. So here's the difference. See, this one just looks outdated already from the back. Now to put both of them in, close the hatch, and show you guys how it actually looks. So here's the other tail light. I think it's kind of funny how the keyhole goes through the tail light. I don't know if I've seen any other car that does that. Not that I could think of anyway. I don't know, I just think it's a funny little thing that the Supra has. Like it's a quirk or whatever. Yep, just goes straight through there. We'll see if it makes it more challenging. I don't think so, but you never know. Get back to you guys once we're all done. Sadly, well, I might include at the end of the video another day. I have no bulbs. I do want to get LEDs either way, so once they're here, you know, I'll finish the video off at night, show you guys how they light up. All right, so here they both are. It's not the biggest mod ever. I wouldn't even call this a mod. It's OEM parts, I guess you could say. So facelift, but once you have them together, it really does make a pretty big difference. You can see these, you know, yellow. I mean, the reverse light's a little yellow, and also it's sunken in the material around the tail lights. And right here it's out and it's gray instead of black, and they just look more modern. It's kind of cheap, $280 for both taillights. Well, now I need bulbs, but you know, inexpensive, and it does change the look. For me, at least. For most people, probably won't. It just looks modernized, I feel. I actually like it a lot. Yeah, like I said, in the end of the video, I'll post you know, with the taillights on. I do want to get the LED reverse lights, the bluish ones, and you know, we'll see how that looks. So far, I'm really pleased with how it came out. You know, stay tuned. A lot more coming for this car. This is a year where I change up the look. And, you know, this is the year of the mods. It's about time. I've had this car for 3 years already. Finally paid it off. It's time. I'm gonna change this wing to, I'm not gonna make a video out of it. This wing is disgusting. I have my other wing over there. And yeah. We'll see how these look once they're lit up. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.